I firmly believe that pink lemonade has the potential to be one of the most delicious beverages out there. But it suffers from a couple different things. Some versions are either incredibly artificial and just don't really taste like strawberries or lemons, and other versions include pureeing strawberries as the base of that strawberry flavor, and we're kind of entering smoothie territory here. However, I feel like I have cracked the code, and by using a little bit of technique, we can make the best pink lemonade out there. And it is all down to this good stuff. Let me show you how I made it.
For the purest strawberry flavor, we are going to make something which I like to call my strawberry super syrup, which is obviously going to be amazing because it's a triple alliteration. Start by rinsing out your strawberries, removing the tops, and cutting them into quarters. You're going to drop these onto a scale and you are going to save the weight of these. Next, measure roughly half of that weight in caster sugar. And to that, we are going to add plenty of lemon zest. The sugar draws out all of the super lemony oils, aromas, and flavors from the zest and makes for the biggest game changer in any lemonade recipe. Add your chopped strawberries to your lemony sugary mixture and coat them really well. This will start out looking a little bit thick and gummy, but within a couple of hours, moisture gets pulled out from the strawberries and you create the most incredible fruit syrup. In the meantime though, you can go ahead and slice and juice your lemons and strain any of the extra seeds and pulp from the juice. This is especially necessary if you want to make the sparkling version of this drink. Clearer liquids just make for better bubbly drinks. Now for the very last step before we combine everything together, you just have to strain off all of the strawberry syrup and step back and admire the beautiful color and consistency of this stuff. If you're wondering what to do with all of the strawberries, you can go check out my strawberry lemonade cheesecake recipe, which I will be releasing next week. Thank you. Now, before you combine all of this to make a nice big batch of lemonade, I would recommend making a test glass to see what ratios you're happy with. I started by adding a couple of ice cubes to a glass. And yes, I made pink ice cubes for this video. It is 2025 and a man can enjoy a pink beverage without being harassed. Thank you. To this, I added equal parts strawberry and lemon juice and stepped back and admired the lovely layering effect that these two made. Very nice, very nice. And then I just topped up with water. This drink was incredibly delicious, very sweet and very sour, but it could definitely be diluted a little bit further. So for the sparkling version of this drink, I repeated the same couple steps, but with less of each of the syrup and lemon juice. At this point, it is especially important to stir and chill the drink for the sparkling version. The warmer the drink, the faster your bubbles are going to disappear. Oh, and also vodka or gin would also be incredible here if you wanted to turn this into a summer cocktail. At this point, all you have to do is top off with sparkling water and that's it. Time for the verdict.
And here we have it, our strawberry lemonade, our pink lemonade, whatever you want to call it. She is looking beautiful. I love how the strawberry syrup and the lemon kind of like layered on top of each other. I thought that was really pretty. And in this version, I finished it with sparkling water, which I'm going to try for the first time. Oh my God. So many things to talk about. Number one, the strawberry flavor is really clean and clear and absolutely delicious. The lemon zest, you taste in an enormous way. Even if you're just making a normal lemonade, if your recipe prior was just water, lemon juice, and sugar, add some lemon zest somewhere. Either combine it with your sugar and then add the water, then strain everything off. Either way, add lemon zest. It adds so much flavor. But the best part about this is how clear everything is. That's what I didn't like about those pureed recipes. You can't really carbonate them. You can't add like sparkling drinks and they stay nice and sparkly. So for use in cocktails or like whatever, this is just like the cleanest, most refreshing version of this drink that I have been able to make and find. If you follow the recipe and you think like, this is a bit too sweet, this is a bit too acidic, feel free to dilute with a little bit more water to get it to exactly where you like it. But I could not be happier with this. If you're asking yourself, Steve, what do I do with all those leftover strawberries? I mean, you can eat them, put them on yogurt. I even made a strawberry lemonade cheesecake recipe, which I'm very happy with, which will be coming out next week. So yeah, if you're watching this in the future, you can click here and watch my strawberry lemonade cheesecake recipe. That could be cool. If you're watching this as it comes out, thank you, I appreciate it, and just watch whatever I've decided to put over here. Thank you very much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Delightful. Just delightful.